Welcome. Let's start this. Let's start this. I didn't want it to wait until the last minute now, because I'm just curious where this one wants to go. All right. So we talked about these levels. Martial MMA, let's go. We talked about these levels during the London session this morning. Like this swing high and this one perfectly taken out. Should have seen that earlier. I mean, we saw it, but I didn't take the trade. Obviously, we had news as well. We have another buy side up here. Like this one. Okay, so we have a buy side there. And what else? Let me check. Let me check something here on the lower time frames. Do we have a new day opening gap or anything that's significant? Oh, Chrome, hey there. I don't think we do. I'm gonna check it out regardless. Yeah, nothing. Okay. I was just looking if we have some kind of a gap there or any kind of gap at these areas. Most likely on the 5 minute. There is one here at 979. 979. Yeah, same area. Okay. All right. I would go with that. 977. Okay, so these are the targets. These are the levels that I like up there. Daily fair value gap at 985. Okay, then. It seems like these are the low-hanging fruits if we're going higher. 929, 977. Come on. Unbalanced price range. Up there. Way back, actually. That is at November 14. Okay. That's it. That's what we see. So these are the levels on the upside. On the downside, well, we have quite a few levels. 3 times equal lows down at 595. So we'll see. Hershow, hello, hello, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Let's see, the markets are about to open in a few seconds. Let's get ready. Prepare everybody. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. The markets are open. All right. Let's see. taking a little dip here. Okay. Bit of a void at 821. Well, unbalanced price at 821. Not sure about it, to be honest. 821, 822. If it wants to go or not. I feel like it could, but you know, if it's not going to, then we're just gonna keep going higher, right? Oh yeah. Up to 929. How about that? What a spike. Nine 29. If it goes there. Not really, right? Almost made it. Created a doji. Almost like a bearish engulfing situation here. It's not going for it. We might be just going sideways here for a while, you know. Anyway, let's wait for it and see what it does. Okay, going down. Almost went up there, so this was a tricky move. We have this area and the swing low at 751. So that could have been a trap up there. This is the 1 minute. Gonna be checking the ES too. Yeah, ES might go lower too. Is this a sell-off happening or what is going on here? Is this going to try to take the lows there? I think it just did, right? Okay, next stop is at 700. Hey, Zoltan. Short of the price. He is back to, yeah, target big time drop. Yeah, we could see a drop. I'm just not sure where to enter because so far this whole area is just a little bit messed up, to be honest. So I'm not really sure. I feel like it wants to continue lower. I know we have the 700 level down there. Look at this. Wants to take it out. And come on. Oh, it almost did. Did the minute? Okay, I think it did. I think the okay. So the mini, what a drop, by the way. $200 points, almost instantly. Okay. I'm gonna pull this out here. We have a London low down at, so triple equal lows, 595. It seems like that could be a possible area to go to. But I must say this is quite a drop. Look at what the hell is going on here. Jesus. Monogixer, hey there. I'm watching this and it's just a vertical line. And I can't even find any area to jump in. I don't want to chase it, obviously. I think that the target would be the 595. That would be the target, I think. Three times equal lows down there on a drop like this. Man, I haven't thought about this situation. I think it's gonna be best to wait. Maybe. This can get very ugly very fast. Quite interesting, to say the least. All right, we might reprice the area right now. Going back up there. Okay, nothing special. The only level that it didn't take is the triple equal lows down there. And we just have to wait. A little bit more. Hey, Akram. Really happy? Just passed your first evaluation. Congratulations. Let me give you an applause. Congratulations, Akram. That is awesome. I'm super happy for you. Nice job. Nice job. I'm not going to do anything here because I'm scared to jump into a short. So I don't think I'm going to do anything about this right now. I'm going to stay on the sidelines. Not trusting this area. There could be a huge bounce as well, so better to wait. Okay, the macro is going to kick in a few minutes. So let's wait, let's wait. Printing money. Zoltan is printing money. Let's go Bears. I feel like there's still some... I mean, the market could be waiting for the new hour here. This was a huge drop, obviously. I don't think I'm going to jump in right now. The 5-minute candle is closing in 5 seconds. And I just don't like it so far. Can still go up. Repricing some levels. Asia low is irrelevant now. This one is... I think it can return there. The first fair value gap after the open is up there. So that's going to be the 930. Our favorite. Not our favorite, but that's the 930 gap. Okay. So that's our first gap. And if you look at it, well, I wouldn't be surprised if we just go up there. You know, trap everybody with the shorts and, you know, deliver everyone back up there. That would be the real messed up situation. Hey, Sapam. Doing great. How you doing? How's your day? $729. I think it can go up 100 points from here. You know, just going through this inversion and just continuing higher, squeezing out everyone up to that level. What a sweep. Was there some kind of a news here? Great. How's the profits going on? Russia did not use an ICBM to strike Ukraine on Thursday. Western official citing initial analysis. So the analysis says that Russia did not use those rockets. Okay. That should be a positive news, right? I mean, to the market. What is... Anyone know what is rule take profit funded account? Well, it's basically the major thing is that, you know, don't go over the daily loss limit. And it's an intraday trailing. There's no consistency, but you cannot trade the news. Basically, that's it. No news trading on the funded account. No consistency, so that's good. But no news trading. And intraday trailing, but it locks in and at the safety threshold. So, for example, I think the safety threshold is 2100 or 25. I have to look at it at Take Profit Trader. But it locks in as well. Just gotta make sure to watch out for the daily loss limit, okay? Because it's a hard breach. That's it. Let's go. I can swipe my cards. I know good code. Wink. Anyway, no. I'm just saying. By the way, Take Profit Trader still has the promo for no activation fee. So that's a good thing, I guess. Where is this gap? 838. I feel like this one wants to go up to 838. Who knows, right? Enter the long. We'll see how it goes. Uh-oh. I'm still hoping. My target would be up at somewhere at that level, but I would be happy with the 830. Actually, I'm going to modify it. 29.50 just to make sure. The high of that candle is 39.25. That's the level. So yeah, right there. Come on. Oh, thank you. Thank you, 7 Moneybag Yo. Thank you so much for the support. You the man. Oh, that's Methodical Man's. um, I don't know what to do here. Trying to get. I might gonna be a little bit skeptical now of what the heck is going on. Oh man, I thought that this one wanted to go. Not yet. No, it's not going. Well, can't win them all. If it's not going there, then it should be going down to, let me see that level. It should be going down. It took me out to the 5, actually to the 600s then. Oh, it's activated. By the way, a nice little reversal here. Okay. What is ES doing? Nothing. ES has a London low down there. Not that significant, but not that significant, but let's see. If this one wants to deliver down to the 600s maybe. I mean, this current candle traded lower on the 1 minute here. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna call this later. Well, it's hard to tell where it wants to go. You're going crazy. Your hard work paid off. Let's go. Yeah, sure. Let me know. Let me know, Subham. What's going on? I'm just watching this chart to decide what to do here. If this one is going to be a bearish or bullish move. We have triple equal lows down there at below the 600, so that's also interesting. Just saying. Watching the 15-minute. Yeah. Looks like it might want to go down, but the small 1-minute gap here. Not sure if it's going to hold anything at all. Right there. Man, I don't know what to do. I feel like the drawn liquidity is now down there at the 600s. I don't really like it. But it still feels like that you know, those levels down there are the target. The new hour is coming in like 25 seconds. I don't know. I'm just confused on this one. I can't enter. I opened a trade with one contract on gold, so I'm paper trading my strategy on TradingView. So I opened a trade on there. When I executed trade, I was already in negative $30. I'm using Black Bolt to copy COMEX. Okay. Spread. Yeah. Slippage, spread. You know, all this stuff. And by the way, TradingView, when you're making a market order, that usually always slips. TradingView is behind 3 seconds if you don't have a subscription anyway. So if you're not subscribed, you're not a paid subscriber on TradingView, even on futures or whatever you do. If you're not an active subscriber, you're always going to have 3-second delay in price. So if you press the market the market sell or buy button, whatever is price at, you're 3 seconds behind, and that's where you're going to get filled. So that's the difference that you're having. No, it's not. At the prop firms, obviously the price is up to date, but TradingView is lagging behind. So you have to pay a monthly subscription for TradingView, and the price then will be up to the second, but still it's going to lag. That's why I don't like to trade on TradingView, because it's slow. So it's always going to be a slippage, and especially on market orders. Market orders are always going to slip through TradingView. That's why I don't like to trade TradingView. For charting, it's perfect. It's the perfect website for charting. Look at that. We're going to go down to the triple low. But otherwise, not really. Short it. Yeah, I'm a little bit scared of a bounce, so that's why I don't really want to do anything here. But, you know, it can happen, obviously. We could see some nice areas here. That 600 level would be great if it would take it out, but you know, be careful, because it can also just bounce. I'm not gonna do anything about it. I have no entry on the 1 minute. I'm a little bit confused too on this one. To be honest, I don't really know what to do. I'm a little bit scared of a bounce, and that's why I don't really want to touch it. But obviously, there's a good chance that it's gonna spike down and take out that 600. Okay, it popped to 600, I think. Which is great. I'm gonna have to turn on the lights here. It's been the same move for the last 3 days, yeah. Everybody wants this level. There is some resistance here, that's for sure, at this 595 level. It came down to 602. I'm not going to do anything with that. That would be scalping. I don't want to scalp this one for now. But yeah, there you go. There you go. Finally, you know, finally. Okay. So now that this one is done, what levels do we have? Thank you, Zoltan. Thank you. Thank you. The problem is, it doesn't matter if anyone, if you see the levels, it doesn't matter. The problem is I do have to execute as well. If I'm not executing, what can I do, right? But there was no entry here that I could have taken. I mean, there was maybe one, no. Order block, maybe, this one, and then going back in the middle. Could have entered here on this order block at 10:01. Going back here. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but it's too late now. Okay, let's see. Are we going to have some sort of a reversal here? Now the drawn liquidity would be way up there at the 907. $42 banger, easy trade. All right. I'm also looking gold, but gold is a little bit all over the place. Still holding a certain area here. I would go bullish on gold, to be honest, still. And right now, this went down that I wanted to say, and it could be reversing. I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to show me some kind of an entry. First fair value gap is up there. That's not valid anymore. Yeah, we had the triple sell side there. One mini and YOLO. Careful, 7 money bag, yo. Careful. Just be careful. Marcelella, good morning. Good to see you back. What's going on? What is going on? So, how big was this drop? From the top, it was more than 300 points. You know, when I watch the 1 hour chart on ES, it feels like there's still a lot of trendline liquidity below. So if ES will go back to the 5900, it will drag down NQ as well. And in that scenario, this one can continue below the 500s. Way down. Look at the 1 hour. Interesting. Interesting. All the way down to the 500s, I feel like, but bullish reversal here. I like the formation, but if I see a structure forming bullish, I might go long. You know, target the first fair value gap. Yeah, the problem is the risk to reward ratio. It's sold out. Oh, I don't know what's up with gold. Nvidia and Apple recovering. Okay. Akram, you're done for the day. Well, you know, you should recharge now. You did good. So just relax and enjoy the day. That's what you should do. So far, it seems like it's going up. We're going up. The best day ever had. All right. You're done now. Need $800 to pass eval. You know, if you're up, you should just leave it for then. Can you tell me which platform gives exact spread, which copy is real market? So Quantower is very good. That's what I like. So I would go with Quantower if I were you. So there's a built-in copy trader in Quantower. But I'm just saying this because I mostly use Quantower, so I don't know the rest of it. I don't know the other prop firms, I mean the other platforms too much. But yeah, futures are always the same price. The problem is that some brokerage may slip you a little bit more. and the commissions are different. All right, looking at this 5-minute candle. Whoa, what a wick here, right? I'm going to put a line as buy side liquidity. 15-minute. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna wait for the reaction here. We are inside of a 5-minute fair value gap right now anyway. So once it already got rejected, and now it has been rejected again. Look at this. This candle got rejected again, just at the middle of that gap. This is the 5-minute chart. Now let's not forget that sell side has been swept. So in this case, I'd like to see maybe price delivered back up there to the buy side. We have some very good targets. By the way, I'm expecting a package to arrive. I might have to go out for a few minutes. Then the phone rings. But I'll be here. I'll be back. Okay, 1 minute to close this 5-minute candle. It's difficult, to be honest. It's difficult because we had a strong rejection in this gap. So this is almost like a bearish breaker, a continuation to go down. Maybe go down to previous day low. And if that's the case, then, you know, not sure. Okay, closed bullish. I'm going to have analysis paralysis now. Because no matter how I look at this, both, I mean, major liquidity levels on the upside and the downside have been taken. And it's just hard to decide where it wants to go now. Her show business as usual. Yes, rolling over short on bear. Brothers, let's go. Don't want to roll. Okay. So what do you say, Zoltan? We are it's rolling over to bearish. Are we looking for some sell-off maybe? Let me see. some sell-off. I send you the trade that I would take if I didn't pass the my entry would be a 5-minute order block. Make a support. Ariane, yeah, it might make support at this low, yeah. Check mail. All right, let me check the mail. Let me check the mail. Where is it? Have to check it. Not here yet. It's difficult. This current candle is not even going down to this gap. It's just staying at this range inside here. Okay, now it's trading lower. Okay. Let's see the reaction here. Might go below the 600. I mean, the 600 is a little bit close, but maybe not close enough. All right. That's it. It's going down. It's going down. Flash dump, and we look for bull bottom send up after this flash dump. But until how far? Is it gonna send it to the 550s? It should be sending below the 76 then. Or this is just going to be a trap for sellers. How about that? Is this a trap? Is this a trap? I feel like it could be, but we closed through. This actually created an inversion gap, almost like a picture perfect inversion gap. So feels like it still wants to go lower. I'm checking on ES as well. ES looks super bearish on the 5-minute. It looks like it wants to take a dump real soon, real fast. It's a trap. And divergence building for bulls. Okay, all right, Zoltan, thank you. So a trap is in the works, right? They're building this up. How about... Let's just watch this closely. How should I know that this is... Okay, look at that. How should I know that this is a trap? Okay, busted through the 76. Next target should be 550. And then, you know, we have previous day low. Yes, is dumping. And I didn't take a trade on this. I'm gonna try and take something, but I'm not going to force it. Man, where does this go? I just don't know where this is going. Long on gold. Yeah, but might have to wait. Whoa, look at this. Look at the 1 hour. I feel like now the target is gonna be that 477 area. Gotta admit, I feel some FOMO. Oh man. Oh man. 477. It's gonna go for it. It's just gonna go for it. I don't want to chase it. That's the problem. That's my problem. Gold is still sideways a little bit. Dun, 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 dun. Doesn't really want to test the 500 right now. Bull starts holding. Oh, look at this. Wow. Nice little push. Just hit previous day low. Well, we're not there yet. When I scalp, I trade with 1 mini. When I'm not scalping, I try to go down to micros, like 3, 4, 5, 6 micros. Depends, you know, on what I'm looking for, or where's my stop is, you know. Yeah, it could be. All right, it seems like that it might not want to go down to the 500s. I'm going to push all the way up to 624. Good morning, MB Trader. How much you think spread be if you take entry with 1 contract? I'm not sure. It shouldn't be on futures. It shouldn't be too big, like 1 tick maybe, something like that. Yes, getting ready to retrace. You're long. Let's go, Fabio. Hey there. Okay, so you're saying we could be ready for a bullish run here. Well, if that happens, I'm up for it. I'm up for it. Then I would like to see it go all the way on the 5-minute, for example, all the way up to, what's the high there? 623. So up to the 620s. Back to this inversion gap, right? That wouldn't be a bad place to go back to. $718 would be also a nice target. to go there. I took shorts. No. I'm waiting for a little bit of a retracement, but you know, previous day low is still there. So you have a runner from 843. Jesus. Trader. It's not a new prop firm. They've been around, and so far they seem okay. So they're legit. I wonder if this one's gonna go down or not to the 500s, you know. Just out of curiosity. Repriced the 5-minute, rejected from that 15-minute BC earlier with a bearish engulfing candle. I don't know. I mean, on the 1-minute, this is what we see so far. Top-step evaluation combine at 1K profit overall, feeling good. Let's go, Aryan. Let's go. Congratulations. Nice job there. Nice job. We'll see what it wants to do. Does it want to test the 500 maybe? I don't know. Last time it was at 500. It was November. Oh, it was just yesterday. Sorry. It was yesterday. Of course, it's that's where the yesterday's low is. Okay. Interesting then. Still holding. This is still holding. We have 10 minutes until the macro, 9 minutes until the macro. And 19 minutes from the silver bullet hour, right? Yeah. In terms of targets, so we'll see. If this one turns out to be a trap or not for the sellers. Alright, so far nothing interesting. Still a bit of a sideways movement. Hovering above 500. Could be changing structure or shifting structure. And going above. And which level is that? Yeah, going to the 24s. Not sure. 624, I mean. Bulls pushing soon. Let's wait for it. Yeah, it sure seems like it. Maybe all the way back up there. It has to go through this gap there. I mean, if it wants to get up to that inversion gap that we have, and there's also a 5-minute liquidity level. What's the high there? The high is 2350. But it's the waiting game. Yes, pushing. Yeah, yes, is going back a little bit up there. Gold seems like gold may also try to push up there, which could push down NQ. Let's see. Liquidity is above 620. 23 to be exact. At least on the 5-minute. Think gold gonna be turtle soup? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's hard to predict gold right now. It was a pretty much sideways movement today. So it was a little bit hard to predict. It still is, I think. Let's see if this one wants to go back into this 5-minute fair value gap. Oh, sorry. Oh, this could be the thing I'm waiting for. I'm sorry, I had to pick up the package. So what happened? The push happened. Seems like it did, right? Nice. Pushing back up there. And now the 718 level looks kind of interesting, but I'm looking the 5 minute to see what's going on here. It's a perfect fair value gap here. I think it should be busting through if this is a push. Oh, sorry, just a second. Sorry guys, quickly phone call. It's not the new BlackBerry yet. It's not. Not yet. Not yet. I'm trying to figure this out, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want to take a trade here or not. I don't have an entry, to be honest. going through this level, and I think it might want to break that high at 719. And I'm still keeping an eye on that first fair value gap up there if it would try to do the same thing as yesterday. So Apex or Bulenox, both of them are okay in my understanding. For me, it's like equal, but you know what? I might go with Apex more than Bulenox. Not because I don't like Bulenox. I had multiple payouts from both of them. Apex is just much bigger. Bulenox is much smaller. It's a smaller prop firm. That's it. Apex is way, way, way bigger than Bulenox. That's it. That's the only thing. Bulenox is a small prop firm compared to Apex, and compared to others as well. Can I try Rhythmic? I'm not sure if they allow a demo account, but I think what I would do if I were you, just go to their website, Rhythmic Trader website, and look for Rhythmic Trader sim account or demo account. Maybe there is a way to open up a sim account with them. But they both have Rhythmic, if that's your question. Bulenox only has Rhythmic, by the way. Bulenox only has Rhythmic connection. One thing about Bulenox, and it's not necessarily a negative thing, Bulenox doesn't have a straight to live account path, you know. There is nothing in the contract or on the website that they're putting any traders onto a live account. So they mostly only having, I don't know how many traders they have on real live accounts. But so far, I haven't heard anything about that ever, that anybody would be trading at Bulenox on a real live account. Like with Apex, MyFundedFutures, TopStep, Take Profit Trader, and also with ProfiTrade, by the way. ProfiTrade has a direct to live account feature. They all pushing everybody, even ProfiTrade. So ProfiTrade is a brand new prop firm as well. Just like Tradeify. Tradeify is brand new, ProfiTrade. They're everybody at the end of the road, every one of these prop firms, except Bulenox, everyone is pushing people to a live account after some profit takeout, you know. It's basically all about the numbers, because if someone is a good trader and you're taking out profits from a prop firm, from a simulated funded account, you're a problem, right? You're a liability. Your risk. So basically they're putting every good trader to a live account, which is a good thing. That's how they manage. But the only prop firm that I never heard anybody being put or anything written about it to be going onto a live account is Bulenox. But still they pay out, except that one guy on Twitter. I know I heard about it, but I have many people already, including myself, with multiple payouts from Bulenox, but you know, what can I say? Anyway, what's up, Red? Did you enter any trade? Trying to scalp here and there, but nothing serious. I didn't have an entry. Mostly was tape reading these levels. I like to see it break through the 718. Yo, Joalma, welcome. Hey, good to see you. What's happening? What is happening? I'm sorry I couldn't help you last time. $35 giveaway. Where? First ever. Wow. Enter where? Oh, at you. All right. On your channel. All right. $35. Hey, if I win, no, I can't enter because if I would win, I just cannot take the prize. You know, I'm too rich to take it. Let me check it. Hold on a second. Where is your channel? It's more simple for me to just find you in the chat. Go to channel. Where are you? Here you are. Yay! Here's John. All right, all right. Exclamation mark cash, everybody. You have more viewers than I do. What are you doing? You're trading NQ, and you're trading. Yeah, you're trading NQ. All right, cool. Let me put a like. Let me subscribe. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. What up?
No, you did for Methodical is legit. Thank you, Jamie. I appreciate that. I never make thumbnails, so it's the first time I've ever done. By the way, my hair looks.
Oh, I need to wait a minute.
It's so shiny right now with the light. But
multi-stream.
Yeah, ever thumbnail I made, and I'm pretty proud of it. You know, it really sticks with it sticks with his
Come on,
kind of,
I can't enter.
Kind of vibe, right? Like the gambling thing. Let's see if he likes it, and he liked it. But I appreciate it.
I need the 35 bucks.
Husk in the house, of course. Entering the cash giveaway.
I need the $35.
Thank you. TOMSABO as well. Watch
I want to enter. I can't enter the cash giveaway.
Right now.
I can't enter the cash giveaway, man. What's going on? Oh, I can. Okay. Oh.
We got some time left. We got 4 minutes left for the.
Thank God.
Giveaway. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I made it.
There's TOMSABO. Thank you for your subscription. Much love to you.
All right, cool, man.
Creation brothers over there. You made it. Yes, you did.
I made it.
Identify vibe. Thank you, bro. Yeah, you know, Myth is just a legend, so it's hard not to catch his vibe, right? Why is there a giveaway? We reached the milestone. Yes, we reached the milestone. Also, Fida just told me like, hey man, here's $35.
All right, I'm gonna put you on the other screen.
So yeah, he's a legend.
All right, cool. Okay, I'm listening to you. Okay, let's we just went through the 18, right? Yeah, we did. We just went through the 718. Dun 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 dun. All right. Next liquidity level would be up there at 786. 786. What is going on? Are we going higher? And I have no entry. Mark my words, this gap here, oops. So this one, this first fair value gap is gonna get reclaimed. I'm just saying. Not even joking, man. This is just gonna go. Where is it? It should be up there at 840. 840, 850-ish area. When does it start? 39. Okay. All right, we'll see. Currently, we still have some time until the lunch hour. If Apex give me trade await account, if I trade that on TradingView data, yes, it will still delay, but only on TradingView. And I'm going to tell you why, because you have to subscribe to TradingView. So even if you log in with trade await on your TradingView, free TradingView account, there is going to be 3 seconds delay in price. So you don't have to buy the CME data, but you have to subscribe at least to the essential package on TradingView, which is like $14 or $10 per month, depends on you pay annually or monthly. So there's going to be a delay. And I didn't realize that either, by the way. It happened to me as well. So you're long? You're long from 567. Oh wow, you got it right at the bottom there. Beautiful. All right. It keeps going up. All right, I'm just reading the chat at Joalma. All right. All right. So I think it should continue higher, but who knows? We might have a reversal finally. It's just creating a bearish engulfing candle on the 5-minute. And we might even return to this inversion gap. Who knows what's going to happen, you know? Just a second. 36 would be, if I would be long, 36 would be the final target, and 785 would be there. Okay, let me try out something. 786, sorry. 780. Yeah, I would go for the stop there. And final TP would be at 38.36. I think I'm going to be in a drawdown, but only with two micros. Okay, I'm pretty much set up in a trade. Small risk. Where is it? It's this one. Trying to look for that first fair value gap up there. All right, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. For now, it keeps going up, so that's why I decided to take a partial at that swing high. And the first fair value gap after the open would be at that level. So I'm just gonna wait. If it rolls over to being bearish, well, it is what it is. We cannot do anything else. All right. I'm just gonna wait what it does, and I'll be right back. I have to check on something, so I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I'm sorry. Seems like the trade is going okay, so that's a good thing. So far, so good. So far, so good. Final TP should be at the first fair value gap. Right up there. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. I might even put it to break even. I don't know. Definitely. You know what? I'm gonna put it to break even. 14.25. All right, this is okay. So we are at break even. First partial has been taken, so that's a good thing, I guess. Hey Maxi, what's up? Morning. Want to say hi? All right, never stop by the morning, no problem. Good. I'm glad you dropped by. I guess that ICMB news was nothing. Yeah, it seems like that. I was reading that experts confirmed that the Russians did not fire those rockets, but I don't know. So maybe that it was just a hoax. I don't know. But at least it's good news in a way, you know. At least nobody. I mean, not good news. It's never good news about war, but weird. Yeah, it is. It is. It is absolutely. Yeah, so it's good, but overall it's still weird. Yeah. Well, look at this. What's it doing right now? It's going back down. Maybe it's picking up some orders, who knows? I wanted to see this go to that fair value gap up there. It's not mandatory, of course. But that would be real something. Repricing a 5-minute gap. You know, it took the high, might gonna go down and sweep the lows. So my position is in a bit of a danger here. I feel like this is just gonna take me out right there where my stop is, because there's a small fair value gap at that point. Yeah. It looks like it wants to go down. Dang it. I was really hoping that my position can survive somehow, but what can I do? Liquidity sweep, that's what it is. Anyway, almost out. Still, it didn't go down to below the 15 area. That's a bit strange to me. But it's okay, no worries. Five, and it looks like, well, it looks like it can still go above the 800s. Yeah, right up there. It didn't go up there. Okay, it might go down to that small gap. That's where my stop is. In this one. Yeah, I think it wants to take it out. Damn it, damn it. Well, there's nothing I can do. Let's wait. Yeah, I feel like it could go down into that fair value gap, take some liquidity down there. That's where my stop is. But if not, then it should be heading for the 800s. For now, it looks bullish again. Up to the 836s maybe. But if it's not gonna go, then it should go down and pick up more liquidity on the downside. Yeah, a little bit weird that it's hovering here. What's the time now? Lunch hour. Macro should be coming in a few minutes. Lunch hour is coming in. Let's wait for it. But I might not gonna babysit this one. Not sure. 5-minute candle. Nothing special so far. Well, I don't think I'm going to babysit this one. I'm just going to call it here, everybody. And I'll be coming back tomorrow in London session, all right? So thank you so much for watching. I have some other stuff to do, you know. And I'll be back tomorrow in New York. So New York, London. Thanks again, and see you guys tomorrow. If you would like to support, please use my codes and links. But I think I'm just gonna go off. See you guys tomorrow. Cheers, everybody.